How do I get the most out of my orthotics, and how do orthotics work? Hi guys, it's Kent here, the podiatrist from Ergonics, and we're just here having a quick talk today about how to get the most out of your orthotic insoles or your orthotic support work boots. So we need to make a couple of assumptions on why you bought the orthotics in the first place. So usually we'll assume that you're treating a foot pain, and we'll assume that it's mechanical in nature, because there are some systemic diseases like diabetes or lupus that will actually cause foot pains or complicate foot pains that were beyond the scope of this, but we're assuming that you've had foot pain and it's mechanical. So generally what we look at when we treat someone with an orthotic insole, like the Ergonics Ultra Soft here, usually what we're looking for is to support the feet. Now, the cause of your mechanical foot pain is usually two things. It's usually that your foot needs more support and that your muscles are tight, or there's some sort of restriction around the ankles or the calves. So to get the most out of your orthotics, what we suggest is obviously choose a really well supportive orthotic insole. In the podiatry clinic, we like to use the Ergonics Ultra Soft or a custom-made device. And then what we do is we look at treating the foot alignment issues with an orthotic insole, and then we look at treating the muscle tightness issues with stretching and strengthening. So we find that if you do these two things really well, so a well-selected shoe with an orthotic insole, so supporting the feet and cushioning the feet, and then stretching off the calf muscles, and we do this 2 to 3 times a day, 30-second calf stretches. We've got some more information on our website, which you'll be able to find under warm up for work. We often find that by releasing the muscles, it helps your foot to relax more and sit more evenly on the orthotic insole, and then it'll allow your orthotic insole to actually correct your foot a little bit better without the strain of your foot. Now, the reason for this and why we love to stretch off the calf muscles is when we're looking at a foot, in normal walking, our foot plants on the ground and our body will move forward over the foot. So when this body moves forward, it actually puts strain in the calf muscles. Now, if our calves are too tight for the body to move forward over the foot, what happens is it gets to a block where the calf muscles won't allow this to come forward. And then what happens is our foot will actually pronate more to allow more range of motion in the ankle, so then our body can move forward and propel off our foot. So you can see if you've got a tight calf muscle when you're walking along, if your calf muscle is forcing your foot to roll in, and we put an orthotic insole under the foot, what can happen is it can lead to two things. One is that the arch will get really quite irritated, so our arch will collapse onto the orthotic and then we'll get a point of irritation here. Or two, it just won't work very well and you'll actually have an early heel lift or some other sort of mechanical adaptation to having the tight calf muscle. So to get the most out of your orthotics, we really need to stretch up, warm up, stretch your calves out, warm up for work every single day, and warm down every single day with your calf muscles. Have a well-supported shoe and a great orthotic insole. If you're on a work site, we often use the Ergonics Elements work boots. Yep. These are a composite toe, really well cushioned midsole, non-slip outsole, lace up, heavy duty zip up, arch support orthotic insole. So they've actually got the Ergonics Ultra Soft in the boot. So that's a major reason why we like using that one in the podiatry clinic. Another reason why we like to use this boot in particular is because it's already got an orthotic insole in it. If we need to make a custom-made orthotic insole like the one here, like this is a CNC milled full-length EVA orthotic insole, what we can do is remove the one that's already in there, and we've got plenty of room to actually put our custom-made orthotic in this work boot. So this has got a lot of the features of a high-end running shoe, so it doesn't twist too much, it bends in the right location, it's got a nice heel counter, and it really does just help to support your feet across the workday. So if you want to get the most out of your orthotics, follow those two things, stretch your calves and support your feet, and you'll have a much more comfortable workday. And so I hope this helps out. If there's any questions, please comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. It's very simple to do and it really does help us out. If you need further information on the topics discussed, please follow the links in the description, and that will take you to our website where we've got more information on these topics. If you have a specific question that you'd like to ask, please comment in the comments section below and we'll do our best to make a video to address your question. If you have any further comments or questions, you can find us at ergonics.com.au, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.